The bundle paradox. For years, the message has been clear. The path to insurance savings is paved with multiple assets. 2 cars, a house and a car, the bundle. It's the industry's favorite word. But what if you only have one? A single car, an apartment. A life that, by design or circumstance, doesn't fit the classic portfolio. Are you simply destined to pay a loyalty tax of 20, 30, even 40% more? The answer is no, because the secret isn't owning more things to insure. The secret is understanding what the word bundle actually means to an algorithm. Bundle: a collection of multiple policy premiums from a single customer, a measure of account retention, a data point of lifetime value. To the insurance company, a bundle isn't about your garage, it's about your wallet. It's about securing more of your financial footprint, reducing their costs to acquire you as a customer, and statistically guaranteeing you'll stay with them longer. Your goal, therefore, is not to acquire a second car. It is to present a second, third, or even fourth premium stream. The single car bundle, a legal loophole. The retention algorithm why bundles exist. The math is cold and clinical. A customer with only a single policy is a flight risk. They can shop and switch every 6 months with minimal hassle. But a customer with 3 active policies, the friction of unwinding those policies, coordinating multiple renewal dates, and requoting everything elsewhere is significant. That customer becomes sticky, and sticky customers are profitable customers, even at a slightly lower per policy rate. The bundle discount is not a reward for your loyalty. It is an investment in your inertia. The company trades a piece of its immediate profit margin for the near certainty of your long-term revenue. Your leverage as a single car owner is your potential to become that sticky, multi-policy customer. You just need to identify the premium streams they count. Most people see only auto and homeowners. The system sees over a dozen possibilities. We are going to exploit the gap in perception. The non-owner policy, the ghost car in the garage. Meet Alex. 1 car, 1 apartment, facing an annual auto premium of $1,800 with no bundle discount in sight. The traditional advice fails him, so we turn to strategy 1, the Constructive Bundle. Product 1, renter's insurance. This is the most fundamental and overlooked tool. A quality renter's policy is not just for your laptop and sofa. It provides crucial personal liability coverage if someone is injured in your home. It is also the cheapest second premium stream you will ever find. For Alex, it costs $168 per year. By itself, it may trigger a small multi-policy discount on his auto, perhaps 5%, but we're not done. Product 2, the non-owner auto policy, the ghost car. This is the linchpin. A non-owner auto policy is liability coverage for someone who drives infrequently but doesn't own a car. They might rent cars or borrow a friend's. To the bundling algorithm, this is a second auto policy. It is a distinct premium stream. Alex purchases this. He now has 3 active policies with the same insurer. 1. Primary auto policy owned car. 2. Non-owner auto policy, the ghost car. 3. Renter's insurance policy. The algorithm now recognizes Alex as a highly retained, multi-policy customer. The bundle discount applied can jump from 5% to 15% or even 25% on his primary auto policy. Let's run the math. Without bundle, auto, $1,800 with Constructive Bundle. Renters, $168. Non-owner policy, $264. Auto premium with new 22% bundle discount. $1,400 for dollars, $1,800, $396. Total annual cost, $1,400 for dollars, plus $168. plus $264 equals $1,836. He appears to be paying $36 more. But look closer. For that $36, he has gained a full renter's insurance policy $168 value, a non-owner liability policy for rentals, borrowed cars $264 value. His core auto coverage remains intact. He has effectively gotten $432 worth of additional coverage for $36. He has legally constructed a bundle where none existed, unlocked the retention discount, and massively expanded his protection. The insurer is happy they have 3 premiums. Alex is happy he has robust coverage at near net zero extra cost. The umbrella strategy bundling with a super policy for those with more assets. Strategy 2 is more elegant. The umbrella anchor. An umbrella liability policy provides excess liability coverage over your auto and home renter's policies. It's typically sold in $1 million increments. Crucially, to issue an umbrella, most carriers require that you also have your underlying auto and home or renter's policies with them. It is the ultimate retention tool. Here's the trick. Call the insurer and say, "I'd like a quote for a $1 million umbrella policy. What are your requirements for the underlying coverage?" They will tell you the minimum auto and renter's liability limits you need. You then say, "Please provide a bundled quote for all 3. The auto at those limits, the renters at those limits, and the umbrella." You have just forced the system to quote you as a mandatory bundle. The discount applied to the auto and renters to secure the lucrative umbrella premium is often substantial. The umbrella itself might cost $200, $400 per year, but the savings on the repriced auto policy can be profound. Previous standalone auto, $2,200 new umbrella forced bundle. Auto with 25% discount, $1,650 renters, $180, $1 million umbrella, $350 total, $2,180 result. For $20 less per year, you gain a $1 million umbrella policy. The bundle discount funded the upgrade. The execution, how to navigate the sale. Implementing this requires precise language. Agents are not trained to suggest non-owner policies to car owners. You must lead the conversation. Step 1. The information layer. Gather your current auto declaration page. Know your liability limits. Step 2. The strategic call. Do not lead with, "I want to lower my auto premium." Lead with one of 2 inquiries. For strategy 1, I am interested in a renter S policy and a non-owner auto policy for rental car coverage. I also have my primary car to insure. Can you quote all 3 together and show me the multi-policy discount applied? For strategy 2, I'm shopping for a personal umbrella liability policy. Can you quote me for the umbrella and the required underlying auto and renter's policies as a bundle? Step 3, the math check. Always look at the total annual outlay before and after. The goal is not necessarily a lower bottom line, but a drastically higher value and coverage for the same or marginally higher cost. You are buying coverage, not just a discount. Step 4, the underwriting note. The non-owner policy will require a clean driving record. The umbrella will require robust underlying limits. This is strategic planning for the qualified candidate. The philosophy, beyond the discount. This approach reframes the relationship. You are no longer a supplicant asking for a discount you don't qualify for. You are an architect designing an insurance portfolio that makes you a more valuable customer on paper, thereby commanding the discounts reserved for that class of client. It highlights a fundamental truth in personal finance. Systems are built on definitions. Redefine your inputs and you redefine your output. The bundle was never about what you own. It was always about what you bring. By understanding that, you can bring exactly what the algorithm rewards. Don't own more. Insure smarter.